Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be swatching the new Moira Beauty Icy Glow Jelly Sticks. I have 4 different shades. It's a long-lasting buildable formula with a water-based pearls and micro glitters for a cooling, lightweight feel and a glass-like shine. I have 4 different shades. I've got 01 Candy Cloud, 02 Rose Pop, 03 Peach Sour, and 06 Gummy Grape. First shade that we're swatching is Candy Cloud, which is a dreamy icy pearl that melts into a soft ethereal glow. It's very opalescent, has like a nice purpley pink undertone. Very much enjoy. Obviously I got it because it said cloud in it, and I have a cloud on my finger and I love clouds. I swatched it on my wrist. I swatched it in the sunlight so you could really see all those micro glitters, and then I also show you in more of a, not in direct sunlight, it's like a more of a low sunlight moment, maybe more like indoors, what it would look like. You can see the difference. Just so you can really see that pink sparkle. You can really see the glitter on these, so if you're not a glitter person, you're probably not gonna like these, but I enjoy glitter, so it does not bother me. It has a nice cooling jelly feeling. It did not lift my foundation, which is nice. And you can use these all over the face, body, lips, wherever you want to add a little sparkle. If you don't like glitter, you're not gonna like these because the chunks are pretty visible on my face. Next is 02 Rose Pop, a juicy rose pink with micro sparkles that catch the light. This one's probably my favorite just because it's so mesmerizing in the tube as well on the face. Again, I love that you can put these on your cheeks, on your eyes, you can put it on your mouth, you can put it on your collarbone, wherever you want. This one has a bit more of a pink tone. This one's definitely the one I've been wearing the most. It just has that icy pink tone with a silver pink glitter running through it. Look how pretty that is in the more toned down light, not in the direct sunlight. You can really see the glitter in this one on your cheeks, but I think that's really cute. Is it a little young? I don't care. I'm gonna be rocking glitter until the day I die. So who doesn't want more glitter on their face? Again, here's nice in the golden hour sunshine, absolutely radiating glitter. It looks so sparkly and pretty. I even painted my nails a fun color from the Kathleen Lights line that my friend gave me. Next is Peach Sour, which sounds like a peach candy, and it's a playful peachy coral that lights up your skin with a citrusy zing. The color on this reminds me of Luminoso from Milani or Orgasm from NARS. Just has that peach with a gold sparkle underneath it. You can obviously see it really on the skin there. I can't wait to try this one on my face. Today I just put it on my eyelids, which I loved. I just put it on my finger and then put it on, but you could just rub the whole stick on, but I already had my eyeliner on, so I just felt like doing that. But you can use your finger, a brush, or just use the whole component, and any of those methods work. But you can obviously see the sunshine makes that just pop and sparkle. And then I wanted to show you in more not right in the sunlight, and you can really still see the glitter just like dancing on my eyes, the little gold. It looks really pretty against the like cool toned eye I was doing. The last one we got is Gummy Grape, which really is giving Fembot from Ren Beauty. So I kind of want to swatch them next to each other and see how that looks. But I could probably already tell you that this version has a deeper base than Fembot. That one has more of a clear base. And so you can just really see that duochrome blue. I don't even know. It's so pretty and fun. I put this one on my lips today. I already had like a lip liner, lipstick moment going on, and I just wanted to top the lips. And it was giving Xenon, that space movie I was talking about in one of my other videos. And then I put it on the high points of above my eyebrows just to add more sparkle. And I really like this one because it kind of like made my lip even a little bit more cool toned because of that purple blue sparkle in it. It looked really pretty. I also swatch it on my lips just without anything on it and in more of the natural sunlight, so you could see it like that too. I wouldn't say these are like super hydrating. Like, I put it on my lips by myself and it didn't feel like juicy, but I think because of the formula the way it is, it's more long lasting like that. It just sticks on the skin and lips a lot longer, because when I swatched it on my arms, I went ahead and ran my finger over all the swatches like really hard, and you'll see it here. It stayed quite intact. It barely put anything on my finger, just like a light dusting, but you can still see those swatches are not moving, which is such a good longevity for an affordable multi-use product. Hopefully this helped you out, or you just needed a little dopamine in your life, some sparkle, some glitter, because I know I do. But don't forget to like, subscribe, comment something cute below, maybe your favorite shade I swatched, and have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye!